Hi there, welcome. I'm Nina and I share Instant Pot recipes on my blog, paintthekitchenred.com. Today's recipe is a Thai fish curry and it's very similar to a red curry, but I use a curry paste called Choo Chee curry paste and it's a little bit different from red curry, but if you don't have Choo Chee curry paste, you can just use red curry paste. Fish cooks super easy in the Instant Pot, and so this recipe is done in a jiffy and it's delicious over jasmine rice. You'll need 1.5 pounds of firm fish fillets. I like to use cod, and you can cut that into 2-inch pieces. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 4 teaspoons of fish sauce, 4 lime leaves sliced into very thin slivers, 1.5 cups of coconut milk, 3 tablespoons of Thai Choo Chee curry paste, but you can also use red curry paste, and I'll put a link to that in the notes. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar or palm sugar, 2 teaspoons of lime juice. Heat up the Instant Pot in saute mode and add in the curry paste. Add in 1/2 cup of the coconut milk and stir together until the mixture is nice and bubbly. And if you need to use a splatter screen, you can do that to prevent a mess on your countertop. Add in the coconut oil and saute briefly and add in the remaining coconut milk. Add in the fish and be very careful when you're stirring up the fish. You don't want the pieces to break apart. Pressure cook on low pressure for 3 minutes. Once the pressure cooking is done, do a quick release of pressure. Open the lid and add in the lime juice and the palm sugar or brown sugar. Sprinkle in the lime leaves and gently, carefully stir up the curry. And you can serve this curry over white rice. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the recipe and I'll see you next time.